Have you ever breathed a sigh of relief after filing your tax return? You hit submit, and then you put your documents away and you think, well, that's done for a whole nother year. Unfortunately, one of the most expensive mistakes people make is believing that their tax return is finished simply because it's been filed. Welcome back to Tax Tales with Leah and Mina. Today, we want to explain what really happens after tax season. Throughout the summer, the IRS begins matching millions of tax returns with information they receive from other sources. These could be employers, banks, brokerage firms, retirement accounts, and also third-party payment processors. In other words, they're comparing what you reported on your return to what everyone else has reported about you. If something doesn't match, the IRS may send you a notice asking questions or proposing changes to your return. This isn't necessarily an audit. It's often the IRS trying to reconcile the information they've received. Some common issues could include maybe a forgotten 1099, a retirement distribution, or simply some number that doesn't match what the IRS has on record. Many taxpayers have no idea anything's missing until that dreaded IRS notice comes in the mail. The important thing to remember is simply this: filing your tax return isn't the end of the process. It's the beginning of the IRS's review process. Most tax returns are processed without any issues. But when the IRS finds a discrepancy, responding quickly can save you time, money, penalties, interest, and a tremendous amount of stress. Ignoring the letters almost always makes the situation worse. If you've received one of these IRS notices, don't panic, but also don't ignore it. Bring it to someone who works with the IRS every day. We help clients understand exactly what the IRS is asking, and we help you determine if the IRS is correct. Recently, the IRS published a study that they're wrong 35% of the time. So we want to be sure that we help you identify the best path forward before you pay something from a letter from the IRS. Sometimes we can help you with just a simple explanation, and sometimes it's a larger issue. Either way, you're almost always better off addressing it early rather than later. Thanks for watching Tax Tales, where we remind you to sit, stay, file. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who thinks that tax season ended in April.